How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to get rid of zits overnight at home. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So how can we get rid of zits overnight at home? Apple cider vinegar. This helps to kill pathogens, including bacteria. It can also help with acne. If you are prone to getting a lot of pimples, next one is use lemon juice. Lemon juice is very popular in modern medicine. I recommend getting a cotton ball and slowly dip it in the lemon. After that, just apply it to the area on your face or wherever the zits are, and it will go away. Another home remedy is lemon and honey. Mix lemon and honey together and apply it to your face. I recommend leaving it on for around 15 minutes or so. After that, rinse it off with warm water. You can do this twice a day. These are known home remedies that will definitely help your acne. I myself used to have face acne, used to have the zits, and I've used these methods as well. Apply ice. This is a very important step. This will help with inflammation and get swelling down. Applying oxy pads to the area. The reason why I recommend oxy pads is because this is what I have used when I was going through puberty to get rid of my acne. So what happened one night, how I found out these oxy pads was my brother was using them. And I just simply asked him, what are you doing using these pads? And he said they're oxy pads, and he said they're for acne, and he picked them up at the pharmacy. So I'm like, okay, well, I'm going to give them a try. I was very skeptical at the time. I didn't believe that they would work. He already had some pretty bad acne going on, and I was starting to get it as well. Anyways, he used it for a few days and I did not. In those few days, his acne was completely gone, like 100% gone. Mine, on the other hand, was starting to get worse each day. So after I seen what these oxy pads can do for him, I started using them myself. And I will tell you right now, I was extremely impressed. They did work wonders for my acne. The best thing about it is all you have to do is apply one oxy pad to the area once a day right before you go to bed. That's all that's needed, you guys. So there's lots of different ways to get rid of zits overnight at home, you guys. I told you guys some home remedies that you can use. I also showed you guys a product that you can use. The product is amazing. It does work. I have used it myself. My brother has used it. A lot of people have used it and they swear by it. So it's a very good product. The other home remedies, you guys, again, the apple cider vinegar, the lemon juice and honey, the ice, all of those will help you too if you don't want to buy the products. So end of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.